Alright guys, so I put the Wild Peak ATs from Falcon on the Odyssey. All-terrain tire, and the last time it snowed after I put them on, I was really impressed. Really impressed. They did so well in the snow. And this girl right here riding her bike. Hey Savannah, let's show everyone the train horn I put on. Door's unlocked, hit the button. Oh, I gotta unlock it again. You don't need to start it. Blow the train horn there, Savannah.
Where? Right here?
No. What's that? You know where to blow it. Right there.
Right here?
Savannah, look at me.
Right here? Or right here?
That, right there. Okay. She loves it and I love it. No. No more.
Okay.
And now we are cooking some T-bone steaks for our first grill of the season.
Yep.
Say thank you, Uncle Bam.